In this topic, you will learn how to modify, copy, and create an existing journal entry from the Accounts Inquiry screen. To use the Journal Entry Management feature from the Financials Account Inquiry, select Financials, Inquiries, and Accounts. Enter in your company. We'll select NA10 and your site. We'll leave our start and end date for this year and enter in NA009 ABC Industrial for our business partner. Then I'll select Search in the right-hand panel to get a list of my open invoices. From here, I'll click on the action card at the front of the line and select Journal, and this will bring up the journal entry that was created for this invoice. To change the reference and the description, I'll come to the reference field and I'll put in my new reference. I'll go to my Lines tab and I'll change my description over here. I'll close out of my journal entry and I'll come back and refresh my screen and notice that my line description and my reference have changed. If I'd like to copy the journal entry, I'll go back into that action card and select Journal. I'll then remove my journal entry number. I'll come down and type in Copy. And I'll click Create. And I'll continue with the duplication. I'll close my page. I'll refresh my screen. And I can now see my copy of that invoice. If I'd like to create a brand new journal entry, I can come back to the action card and click Journal and click New in the right-hand panel. I'll enter in my site NA011. I'll leave my entry type as CSDIR and my journal as Sales. My default description will be New Entry. I'll leave today's date. My source document will be Invoice 100 and my reference will be New Document. I'll come over to my lines and I'll enter in my information. I'll be site NA011 and I'll put in my AR account number and then I'll put in my business partner NA009 and I'll put in my amount of $500. In my description, I'm going to put New Entry, Invoice 500, and then I'll put the other half of my transaction in and we'll go against my sales account. And I'll let it auto balance. And then I'll create my journal entry and close the page. I'll refresh my list and you can see my journal entry appeared in my list. In this lesson, you have now learned that you can either modify, copy, or create journal entries through the use of the Journal Entry Management feature from the inquiry screen results, and how to refresh the results displayed so you are able to see the changes in the inquiry screen.